What's up, people? It's the Prelude dude. Welcome back to the parts guys. Today I'm doing a drain and fill on my transmission. I got some spots on the ground. I know it's transmission fluid, gear oil. So yeah, we're gonna find out where that's at. I'm gonna show you where the fill plug and the drain plug is, and we'll go ahead and get that taken care of. Most of you already know what I'm working with. It's a 96 Prelude SI with the H23, and it's all stock, normal stuff. So I'm going to show you where the actual fill plug is and also the drain plug. But what we're working with, the fluid we're going to use is Pennzoil Synchro Mesh. It's supposed to be a good alternative to the actual Honda fluid, and it's going to be plenty fine to mine because I'm pretty sure I'm running low as it is, so it's getting hard to go into gear. I'm missing gears when I'm trying to shift fast, so I'd like to have this to blame it on. Right now, typically what you're gonna do is you're gonna put the car up in the air on 4 jack stands on level ground. I'm a pretty small guy, and I'm gonna use this little lip as my my little lift, so to speak. So I'm gonna keep it on the ground, and I'm gonna just sneak under there, and I'll show you where I'm gonna be working on, and then we'll get it draining. Already got spots forming there. After climbing under the passenger side of the vehicle, we now see both the drain plug and the fill plug to the top left there. Looking a little bit closer at the drain plug, you see there's a notch for a 3/8 ratchet. I had to put a little bit of effort into this, but I was able to use just a regular 3/8 to back it out. But first, I went up top and used a 17mm. I had to use my 1/2-inch wrench to take out the fill plug. I suggest doing this first, just so you know that you can get all the fluid out. Alright, so there is some in there. Thank God. So that right there. So while that finishes draining, I'm going to show you how we're actually going to fill it up. There's actually much better access if we take off the intake tube. It'll be similar with the stock intake tube. You should have roughly the same access as I do getting to the actual drain area or fill area. So you can sort of see where the tube is going into the transmission there. That is the fill hole. I already got the drain plug put back in. So with this fancy little tube here, I got a little shut-off valve. Once I unleash that, it'll start putting this cord in there. It should take 2 quarts. So I got the second bottle going in right now. It's kind of a slow process, but basically it says it should be 2 quarts. So this is the second quart going in, and once it's done, we'll just see. As long as it's pouring out a little bit, we'll put that top plug back in, and we can call it a day. We'll see if it shifts any better, or if it's just the trans that's actually starting to fail as opposed to a low fluid level. I have deemed that the passenger side output seal is what is leaking, and that's just time for another video. We got more than enough to fill it. So I'm just going to pour that out, let her drip away. Once she's done dripping, we can call that good. Alright guys and gals, that is it for today. We accomplished all our goals. We ended up finding out that it is the output shaft seal on the passenger side that is leaking. But for now, we got fresh fluid in there and it's up to capacity, and she's shifting great. So if you like this video, go ahead and hit that button, leave a comment, hit me up. I'm happy to respond. And if you want to see other how-to videos, I'll link at the end of this video all the how-to videos I have. So in the meantime, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video.